Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next pair of shoes to go ahead and tell you all about them, and that's what I'm going to do. Check these out. This is kind of a combination hiking shoe slash high top tennis shoe. It is very fashionable. It's very stylish, and they are comfortable. My son actually got these. He's going to go ahead and wear these probably for kind of weekend trips to the mall, walking the dog, that sort of stuff. He's not much of a hiker, but you can kind of take a look at them. You'll see a couple different things with them. One, it's got a couple different textures on them. The front has a rubber toe here, kind of a rubber covering the toe, and then the rest of the shoe is kind of a smooth, almost, I'm not sure exactly what it is, kind of a weird patent leather, but it's very smooth. It feels good. And then back here, you actually have the cloth, and it is very, very padded all around the heel area. That is nice and thick padding there. On the inside as well, you have some good padding in the actual shoe itself. It's not cushy like Cloud. It's more firm and supportive, but it is there. You can actually feel it. The treads themselves, as you can see, they are hiking treads. This is a rubber sole, but it's a nice thick rubber sole. You can see, let me see here. You can see how thick the treads are. It's probably a good quarter inch there, so that's pretty good. As you can see, it is a high top, but it's a high top that has the heel kind of lowered down, so you can obviously slip your foot into them very easily. So as the kids do, they often do that. But I want you to take a look. You can see the slide here, but the actual laces themselves, you have the laces holes here. You do have this nice black and gray lace. Obviously, you can go ahead and replace it, but you have the eye hooks up top so that you can choose to go ahead and tighten it with these with the eye hooks. You can really pull them in. You don't have to use either one or both of them. That's up to you. But I just want you to kind of see what they look like. My son has worn them a little bit around the house, and he really likes them. He says they're pretty comfortable, and he's looking forward to actually wearing them more, I guess, whenever he goes out. But you can see that they look just really nice. They're nice black. It's a dark black. I know it looks a little lighter on the screen, but it's definitely a solid black color. So yeah, pretty nice shoes.